Out flying the drone this morning, 35 miles an hour winds, even though it's rated for 25, 26. I was out over an open field, so I'm good there. Problem is, it's across two bayous. Like I have to cross over this super muddy ditch. Got them for Ashley when I'm out doing my digs with my metal detector, but I'm gonna put them to use today. All right, so on the Find My Drone app, due southwest of the drone, approximately 200 yards. There she is. Alright, just crossed back over Interstate 40. Now back to the second part here. All that day's work, baby. Sometimes you gotta risk it to get that shot. Muddy boots and all. That's what it's all about.